This video will show you the process of placing orders on VisitBasis. Before placing orders on VisitBasis, though, there are some setups that need to be performed. The first requirement to place orders is to have a product database. To add products to the database, you can use this window and add information product by product. Once you are done filling in the product information, click on Save button. To upload products in bulk, you can create a spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets that looks like this. Don't forget to set up the barcode column as text, and then save it as CSV or TXT file. Then, on VisitBasis, go to Settings, Import Data, choose Products from the drop-down, and follow the steps in the wizard. Now that we have a product database, the next requirement for placing orders is to have at least one price list for the products. Price list settings are located in the Products tab, Price List window. Here you will specify the pricing for each SKU. And you can also add prices for different effective dates, such as in the case of promotions. Once we are done setting up price lists, we'll move on to the last requirement, setting up which list or lists can be applied to which location. This is done in the Locations tab. Here we'll select a location and go into the Price Lists window. Now it is just a matter of checking the boxes of the price lists that apply to the location and clicking Save. You can also perform this operation in bulk for many locations at a time by importing into VisitBasis a spreadsheet like this, where you have the column titles default with values true or false, location code, and price lists. Now that the Office app is set up, mobile reps are able to place orders at the locations with price lists assigned. You do not have to create a task template for orders. They are already native on the mobile app. Let's go to the mobile device and see how to place an order. Here's the Visits window. I will add a visit to the location we just worked on. Now we go into the visit, tap on Tasks, and here I will tap the plus sign to add a task. As mentioned before, the order task is native to the mobile device. Orders are also division specific. Let's search for all my order tasks. You see, one for each division. And I will add the order task for the division I need. Now I tap on Order to go to the task. The first step in filling in order information is to choose a due date or delivery date. Save. Next, we select the price list we will be using. In this case, the Publix price list is selected as the standard for the location, but I can also choose the promotions one. Save. Next, I will enter discount, tax rate, and add any notes to the order. Now it is time to choose product quantities. So I tap on Order Items, and here I tap on the orange boxes to enter quantities. I'll want 10 of this product, save, and 5 of this one, save. Now my order is ready. I can sign it and complete the order. Now that the order is complete, a unique document number was generated and I cannot make any changes to it. Let's now go back to the Visits window and synchronize. Now that the data is on the cloud, I can go back to my visit, go into Tasks, then into our order, and email the order by clicking on this paper plane icon. Let's go back to the Visits window and close the visit. Now that we are done with the mobile, we can switch to the VisitBasis Office app to see how reporting on orders looks like. First of all, I can see my order summary by loading the Visit Summary report, this view link, and then click on the Order button. Here we go. I can also go to Reports and run several types of reports to see my orders in different ways. I can run an orders returns report for today, and it will load complete information on the order we just placed in spreadsheet format. Here are the different columns. We can see that this is thorough report. The other order reports we can run on VisitBasis are under Simple Views and are the Order Items and Order Summary reports. The Order Items report will show you, order by order, how many units of each item were ordered. Order Summary will show you basic information on each order. Naturally, you can add columns to the report so it will show data in the way you need, such as here, where I added the username column to see which rep is selling more. That's it. Should you have any questions, please contact us at support@visitbasis.com.